Hello children, welcome back to the class. In our previous video, we discussed regarding the heat zones of the earth. Okay, so I hope you remember what are the heat zones. We have three zones, three heat zones. What are they? They are the torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Okay, so which zone is suitable for the living? It is temperate zone. Okay, so in today's class we'll be discussing regarding the local time. The rotation of the earth on its axis is responsible for the occurrence of day and night. Okay, so what makes the day and night? It is the rotation of the earth on its axis. Okay, so this phenomena is the basis for time measurement. Because of keeping this rotation of the earth, we could able to measure the timings. Okay, so the local time taken remains the same. So when we say about the local time, okay, local time will be varying from time to time, from place to place. Okay, so from meridian to meridian, from place to place, the local time will be varying. There will be differences. Okay, for it will be varying by 4 minutes for every 1 degree longitude. So totally we have 360-degree longitudes. Per longitude there will be 4 minutes of differences. Okay, so this is regarding the local time. So you can see here how the local time will be varying in India. So if you follow the longitudes, okay, so Mumbai is having 73-degree east and Delhi is having 77-degree east. Okay, so here the time difference will be 4 degree. So the difference of longitude is 4 degree and 1 degree longitude is equal to 4 minutes. So 1 degree longitude takes 4 minutes for its rotation. Okay, so 4 degree equals to 4 into 4, 16 minutes. So what is the time difference between Mumbai and Delhi? It is 16 minutes. Okay, so this is of east. Delhi and Mumbai are east. Okay, so it is 16 minutes variation. But if you take Gujarat in the west, Assam in the east, so it comes nearly 6 hours differences. Okay, so hence it is very difficult to follow the local time based on the longitudes. Okay, so reason question they can ask, why the local time is difficult to follow or why it is not practical. Okay, why? Because it will be changing from meridian to meridian, from place to place. And in India itself, if we have so many difference in timings. Okay, so if Mumbai is having different time and Delhi is having different time, okay, Gujarat is having different time and Assam is having different time, so it will be creating more confusions among the people. To avoid this, we are going to follow the standard time. Okay, what is standard time? It is based on the central longitude or the central meridian that passes through the country, which may pass through an important city or town. So in order to have a standard time, we have to find out the central meridian that passes through India. Okay, so which is that central meridian? You can see here it is 82.5 degree east. So this we call it as a standard meridian of India. It passes through Allahabad. Okay, there are 360 degrees in a full rotation, which on earth is equal to 24 hours. Okay, 360 divided by 24 is 15, which is why we add 1 hour for every time zone or 15-degree longitudes away from Greenwich to convert to local time. The International Convention says that longitudinal difference between two standard meridians should be a multiple of 7.5 degree. Okay, so the time difference is always in half hours or full hours. Either it should be half an hour variation or it should be 1 hour variation. Okay, for that reason we are taking the 7.5 degree meridian. Okay, According to a preliminary guess about the standard meridian of a country, take the westernmost and the easternmost longitude of that country. Take the mean and find the nearest multiple of 7.5 degree. If a country has a large longitudinal extent, there may be more than one time zone. Okay. Based on this, the standard meridian, that is the Indian standard time, is calculated. Okay, you can see here the Indian standard time is based on the standard meridian 82.5 degree east. Okay, so we have taken 82.5 into 4 because each longitude takes 4 minutes. Okay, so into 4, so we'll get 330 minutes. So when we convert this 330 minutes into hours, we'll get 5 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, so thus the Indian standard time is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time because we are in the east. Okay, so this is accepted uniformly by all countries. This is how we find out the local time converting the Greenwich Mean Time. Next we'll see the time zones. Okay, how many time zones are accepted at international level? It is 24 time zones are accepted. Okay, how come this 24 time zones? Because we have 360 degrees in a full rotation. Okay, 360 degrees of longitudes, which on earth it takes 24 hours. So it is kept as 24 time zones. Okay, as one moves westward, each time zone entered is 1 hour behind the time zone one leaves. Okay, so when you move from east to the west, you have to subtract. Okay, but when you move from west to the east, okay, each time zone entered is 1 hour ahead of the time zone one leaves. So that means the place from where you are moving, if you are moving from the west to the east, 1 hour will be added to the time when you started. Okay, so you have to subtract when you move from the east to the west. When you are moving from west to east, it has to be added. Okay, see in this image very clearly. Okay, so the standard meridian, international standard meridian, divides the earth into two spheres, eastern and the western hemispheres. Okay, so one who crosses the line from west to the east, okay, one who goes from west to the east, a day is subtracted, our day will be minused. Okay, one who crosses the line from east to the west, okay, a day will be added. Okay, so each country will be having one time zone if necessary. Okay, if ever they have many number of longitudes which runs across their country, if ever the country is very vast, they can increase their time zone. Okay, for example, in India we have only one time zone, even China has only one time zone, but whereas Russia and USA is having 5 time zones and Canada is having 6 time zones. Okay, so it can be had more than one time zone. The shape of zones are changed to match international and the internal borders. Go through the video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.